Hello, hello. Okay, let's something. I actually already have the limits. Then okay, we have bar max length 64, because that's what we're going to pass here. Max L, which is here. Then what's the purpose of this? I think there's no need for me to use like maybe not. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, that's it. Max in what I'm using here. So what are the things I need? So let's go to my here. Let's see what I'm missing. So beta 2 we set up. I think I'm gonna use uh so we have here is define the character set, sets password units in lowercase, uppercase, numbers, and symbols. So uppercase can be anything, so just delete that. Numbers and symbols now. So yeah, implement function. I think I'm gonna replace all of this. user interface. So what are the things that I need to consider here? Okay, before that, just fix something. So character and symbols, we have the integer and the character. Password strength indicator. Oh, strength. So like the amount of, like, how how randomized it is. Don't know. Maybe in the randomized string we have the byte in what it does. Okay, so it's a size, the type, bit of function, allocate size, specify the length. Hmm. Visual feedback, error message, invalid inputs, keyboard shortcuts, action, help documentation, multiple password generator at once, save password file option, input validation. So I think already have this one, then this one. Define character password generation already. I think I'm missing something. I think like character, characters, because I have the characters but no symbols. I have the character but no symbols. Let's try that. Hmm. I think for now, let's add a symbols here. Mock symbols as a string. Then what we want is str randomy. This is a randomy. Okay. So str string add numbers, mock symbols, and symbols strings. I think this is gonna be a similar. I think it's gonna be the max. So symbols to an int. Max symbol should be an int. And 64, and then the symbol to a string. Supposed to be the bitter thing she did here. So we have the max symbols and the symbol here. But I don't need the symbols. Or do I need one? Any symbols? That means we're going to return the odd numbers and max. I don't need to return the max string though. And the random integer, random int, and this one. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just add the symbols, a symbol, maximum bit 20, then symbols will be equal because I want this to be customizable, so let's just say that the symbol is something like this one. That's for now. I think that's enough for now. And hey, what I want is the max symbols and symbols. Nice. Declared. Did I have random integer here? Wait. Did I use random integer here? Was it? I need to refactor this. This is interesting. And you have this random integer, you have the toggle. That means I can just call this one integer to this one. Let's try to call that. Okay. TG number, you're not going to be TG number. Max strength would be like that. I can just go run integer with the max name and the toggle number. And this is not using I think that we already have everything. Then I think what I'm missing here is what I'm missing here. So I'm gonna need randomize. Let's see, randomize symbols. Let's create a function name run symbols. Then let's get the value of the n as int. Then symbol bytes as string. Then it's just similar to that. Spec or return value. It's gonna be a make. A byte. n. So for I is equal to the range b, and bi will be equal to the symbol bytes, run that int, then the length of symbol bytes, then it's return string of b. That's all we need here. Then let's just call the randomize symbols, then it's as the random, no, so this we cannot put the symbol here, but symbol random symbol symbol here. Then what we has it's a random symbol. Oh, wait, sando. I mean undo. Why ball cannot run integer, of course. I said run symbols. With the mark symbols and symbols. I think that's all we need. And good. Okay, just mark symbols. Okay, and let's just add a print value here with the password that symbols. Then let's set print. Let's set I go run back. Okay, we have created a randomized password already. Already have created it here. But now what we're gonna do is like this could be better if we can combine them, then randomize them, right? Combine integer and string in a Golang. Okay. Concatenate, yes, concatenate. So str concat number str concat, the output would be is 42. The answer would 42. I can do that. Like I can just combine them. right? I can just combine. Let's see. Then I can just, what is the better way for me to do it is str, which was that text print if text plus tr into I into okay, let's try to a function, a combine function, combine random and randomize. So with this thing, I'm just going to combine them, then randomize all of them. Let's create a function. It's gonna be combine and random that takes the value of the random integer, which is the random int as integer or int 64 toggle maxnet. Yes, is an int. Then random not character but string, that is a string, and random char as a string, then it's a then it return the value as turn the value as turn the value as string, turn as a value as a string, missing return. Okay, I think that's for now. I think I need to get commit this one. Let's see, up update added new type which is random symbols, and added function to randomize symbols. Git push urgent main. Rejected. Oh, I think git branch main, git fetch, git branch, git pull. ls git What's going on? What do you mean by that? Okay, repository. Oh, I have 3 branches. Okay, okay. Just go with git branch, git check out origin main, switching to origin main. Okay, git add git commit, did also touch it, and git push. Okay, shell is in vim. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god, what was that? Did I just get that? Or should I go back and get branch? Get check out main. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, I have to. I thought I lost it. Okay, okay. I get it. Okay. Nice, nice. Whew. Just. I'm so. I just get worried there. Okay. Now we have this one. We have this one. Do my string. Hello. But now, what you want again is like. We want to add a new variable here, which is. Because according to this one, we can just combine them with combine, it will be equal to, it's gonna be like random, no, it's gonna be like str convert that itiwa of random int plus random string plus random char. Now I can just say combine. That's cool. Now we need to store the combined value, so we can do combine value result will be a string. So what we want here is combine, ayun eh, okay. Combine value will be equal to the combine and randomize, combine and randomize of the random int random letter and random symbol. Then now we can return the value of the combine result to the combine value. I think that's the thing that I'm gonna do with it. Here, okay, I'm going to print the value of the. I can just use this. Right, like the password will be that combine value result. Okay, so it's gonna be so we have here the combined value result. I know we have here the combined value result. Now since it's a bit ugly, like it's not like it's properly good, but at the same time it's not good because like look at that, it is like actually arranged, not randomized. That's what we're gonna do here. So since it's gonna return a value, let's add a b. Let's add another channel here, and let's try as like the char value will be equal to the, let's make gonna be the as byte, and okay, we need, oh, maybe we can just say combine that, then okay, no, you can just use len, then combine, okay. Then you can return the char value. I think I don't need this one. Oh, cannot use char value type as byte. It's a byte, so I need to make this as a string. Okay. Now we have that one. We have this one. The value here. And return value here. I think that's good. And I don't want also to print some other CLS gonna be oh, not working. Why? Ooh. I don't know if this thing assignment mix to by mix. Oh no. Why it's not working? I don't get this. Why it's not working? Should I print the value of the char? Like fmt that print and end of the value of the char value. Okay. Oh. Okay. Of course, I'm not going to getting the value just because I need to do something like this, the range of the char value, and then char value, since it's on slice. Of course, I need to get the char value. Okay. value run that int of the len of the char value missing okay. None name char value on the left side. Okay, sorry again. Forget. Okay, let's try to run. Go run. Still we're having this. Why is that? Combine result of a string. Because I have this one. Yeah, of course. Cannot use combined values such struct literal. I'm confused because I can just use something like this and it's gonna fix everything. But the problem is not something that I want. This is not something that I want. No. Come on. I know I did right here. Because I think this is similar to this. Should I print also the combine? Could convert argument to string. If it's similar, the range should share value. It's here. Then char value. Ooh. So since I already have this one, all I need is to combine. Am I right? Like, because this is supposed to be the string. I think this one is combined. Combine and also this one. If I'm right here. if I am right. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Okay, but there's no numbers. I have numbers. Wait. Wait. Should I delete this combine? And let's try then let's just see, but that's not something that I want. Because if I'm going to print this one, like for example like this, combine length would be like the length of combine Golang. Combine is 31. That's the length of the combine. But right here there's no integer. Random random int. Random int. Okay. Am I making this complicated or like super complex? Even this is just a simple project. This is just a simple project, right? But am I making this like complex, like overly complex? Because I am making this right. It should be 31. This thing should be value of 13. The length is 31. For I is equal to the range of char value. Right? Am I right? Or should I say like the length of combine? I know. Combine. Still the same. Still the same and there's no numbers. Why? There's no numbers in it. Random int. Go run. 16. Oh, I have random number 16. Of course, it's a less noticeable since the max number is there. Let's just try to say like 300 like that. Then it's just go run. So we have like 153. Go run 230. Or 64. 63. That's 33663. Oh, I think that's good enough. I think maybe because of the limitation where the limitation here is I want to max it as n64, where I can just use int, right? Can just use int, then the max l is, I don't need this one, right? You just use that, then I can just use like something like max l, like that, right? Then I think it's Goran 52. This has 2. I don't see the 5, but that's okay. But still, yeah, okay. Okay. Let's try. You have this. And the password. Nice. You get the password. If you're wondering why I have a lot of here, so I want this to be customizable using TUI. I'm gonna use bubble tea as my TUI library. Like I'm going to, like the amount of randomness or the number, the street. This is gonna be nothing. But this is the add numbers, the boolean. If you want to add numbers to your, like, if there's a number to your, wait 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 was this gonna work? Was randomize integer if toggle is true, return when max ant. So that means I also need an I also need I also I think I need to check. I think I need to check also the if toggle number. Wait. What if I said false here? Does this count? Wait. Oh, it's still going. Okay. I thought I going to have a problem. Okay, that's good. Go. I'm gonna be git add all. Spending git commit. Just go update. Added new function that function combine and random the results as final results. Nice. Git push origin win. Push origin win. Jealous. Okay. This is good enough. Should I do something more? Like already have it. I think it's time for me to implement the bubble tea Golang. I think I'm going to use bubble tea. Go with the example. I want an input. 12 times spinner table. Text input, yes. This is the thing that I want. Okay. But what I need is a form, like a multi-input. But I think they have multi-input here. Text area, text input. Okay. Where's the multi-inputs? There's the multi-inputs. Sequence, split, tables, text area. Multiple inputs. Okay. Just duplicate tab. Let's go to the code. Let's follow the tutorial on how to install bubble tea. Let's set up by defining a model which to store our application state. It can be any type, but a struct usually makes the most sense. So we have the cursor, string items to the list, cursor, and which to-do list item our cursor is pointing at. Selected map, which is okay. I don't know how to work with the UI, but let's forget that. So do you have type, focus, input, stick, model, which is I don't know. Chicken. Focus style. Good. This is just a style function. Variables for the style. So initialize model. This for the text input that model as inputs, which is a 3. This means how many inputs do you need. So for I, the inputs, that inputs text area. So this is gonna be like. So we have the number of inputs. 0, 1, 2. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. We have the nickname, the email, and the password. So this is the one I need. Of course, first I need to install the bubble tea. Example docs. I need bubble tea installation. Where's the bubble tea installation in? Just give me the bubble tea installation. Okay, I can just use that. Nice. placeholder inputs equal to t model int t.cmd simulate update okay, I don't understand this. Shit, is it focused to input up down up down? Okay, I'm a bit confused. Okay, I'm a bit confused. Okay. This is the model. This one. Or I can just specify that myself. It's gonna be style focused that will be equal to use let new style that program use just copy that one. And then into struct type model slice model cursor mode cursor let mode. I think select cursor. I need bubble the cursor. Define text import. still need to install the bubbles. Bubble this application. I need the bubbles, right? Clearly cursor. Why? According to here is this. Still charm. Chambers. Lit. Atomic, not atomic, GitHub. Define cursor. familiar with bubble tea. Someone is Peter. Sorry, bubble tea. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay. I think I'm gonna use Peter. That's really familiar with bubble tea. So let's go with that. Go get Peter. I don't know how to uninstall packages in Go. Or maybe I just did it kumut tidy. I mean that's the reason, the main reason. But anyways, I need something that is easy for me to like easy for me to go mod tidy. Easy for me to like work around or work with. Okay. Let's go with Peter. First is the result. Here text import. We have the P-term default interaction that show. Get an interactive text with a single line input mode and show. P-term print a block line. Print the user answer. Okay, this is pretty easy. Pretty straightforward. So actually text input can I just do this like something like that, then Peter that default the active that show. Can you just do that? Then I'm just going to level up. Then I'm gonna do is FLT that println as empty. Then P-term that info that println you entered it's a multi-line if line. It's gonna format, means it's a format as S, then result, then max L. Can just do the Golang. Local module package for P-term. So probably I need to use install. So right. still have the error? I know I have a lot of packages, but I don't think I don't have error. I don't have error. Nice. Pattern. Cannot use macrobible type string. Okay. Okay. Convert string into int in Golang. Okay. Okay. Same with str. So we have the string. It's the same as str convert to I. Into integer. Okay, it's similar. Okay. Okay. It's gonna be the number. Max. L. So what we're gonna do here is like, actually, I can just use error. Then I can just like, if error is not equal to nil, fmt that println invalid. Oh, no. Maybe I just get empty. Then I'm gonna check that using this. It's gonna be the max L and error be equal to the str converted at 2i will be the max xl invalid. If invalid value, it should be a number. Cannot use Mr. Convert max value of type int. Huh? Wait. Okay. Max number. Declared max number are not used, so this one should be max number. Okay, let's try that. Okay, we have working. Oh, look guys, we have working input here. Let's try to use like 21. Nice. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Now we're getting into it. Okay. Now, I don't need to be cocky here. So I think there's a way for me to like at least to make this like clean, but I'm not going to worry about that for now. I'm gonna sleep maybe after 12:30. So it's already 12:30 in the morning right now here. Maybe I need. What if I have multiple line? What if I have multiple line? Should I just is this a way for me to use multiple line? the approach. Like I don't get it. Wait, in this one, the print info. Wait, I'm gonna run it again. 23 info you entered. Hmm. Hmm. Should this to the text input to the user and store the result. The second return value is ignored with this one. You entered like info. Is there a better documentation? So I'm going to run this. Ooh, lagay, beautiful lagay. I know that I made this string. Do I have more selection here? I need to customize. Text string. Shows the item selected, menus and return selected. No. It's gonna return a value. Wait, can I just do like? Oh, I already got that. No. No. Oh, do I need to use concurrency here? I'm going to score things. Oh my god. Maybe like I can just use a text here. Because I really wanted the Peter to have a customizable not a customizable input text name. So it would be easy for me. Right? PC styles. Load. Why the styles for my Peter be green? primary, it's gonna be the bggree. What to be bggree though? Print hello world. Rejoin to print. Okay, okay. Let's try to do the p term. Okay, what we want is the max number text would be like okay p term that new style would be p that p term that they have all the what they have okay colors. Do I need cyan? Cyan. If G, does it makes a difference? If G cyan. Colors. Okay, not use. P term that bold. Then max number. Max number text that print and then maxi number add maximum number 23. That's cool. Let's go. Okay. Like, is there a way? Since it's a text, right? Is this a way for me, like, p term that text body contains method that print formatted text to the console and return it string. Text printer. Nope. That default spinner prefix. Or should I say just say enter maximum, go run. Oh, so there's no need for me to use this actually. You can just use something like p term that bold and p term that let's see if GCN, right? There's still no numbers here. Should print a number. Let's just go and git add git commit added Peter as TUI to use did example demo git push mid rigid choose. Hello, what's up? What's up? No, sorry, I'm just so focused on my stream. Okay, hello, hello. Wait, I'm gonna answer you. So, hello. Hey bro, how are you doing? I am okay. Okay, bro. I want to start coding, but I am confused and can't decide which language should I. Any suggestion for me? So, I think it's. I think Python, since machine learning and AI technologies is very popular. Very popular right now. I can also suggest Rust, but Rust is so difficult. Start on simple programming languages like Python, or you can use C#. Okay. What I want now is I'm going to add like the actual architecture, or actual like the main view. So I'm gonna add the area, or area is good, right? I don't know if, or should I do basic big text can be used. Okay, not bad. Oh, I like this one. So let's create let's just copy this one. Okay, let's just add here before this. It's gonna be title bar. Term that default big text. No. With letters. Beauteous. Letters from string. what we're gonna call this app is gonna be our so na Go Pass. Let's try with Go Pass because it's made with Go and it's a password generator. Go Gen Pass, something like a generator password. And vterm fg cn to style. Then another one. Another one here is another futures that later from string gen pass then vterm that should I use the FBLite? Magenta. We're going to use magenta. Magenta. That to style. Ay, okay. Forgot to add that in there. Letters from string. Okay, with not writer but letters. Default basic text. Pattern default basically with style inputs. Peter. Let's just copy this one. Just okay. Let's go just hit go and this add gen pass right go run. Next we have the go gen pass here. Nice one. We have our title here. So that's really cool actually. And so then I wonder why I'm saying I wonder, because there's something wrong with the map number. But stating here I wonder. I wonder. Okay. 21. Did I pass it correctly? I, of course. Because we're not using this. Stress. Yes, Sagoran. 21. You have the 7. Okay, let's go. What are the things that I need? I think I'm gonna need like a table, ano na nabektik sa box ahead bullet list coloring header. What is area? Oh, it's a updating value. I mean, it's a real time. Basically, box. I don't need box. Interactive continue. Interactive confirm. Interactive. I think we need panels. Or a header at least. Progress bar. I'm gonna need progress bar, like at least give it a little animation. I want that. So text. So it's gonna be basic text here. After this, title bar. Let's add go gen pass info details. Go gen pass info details is just the p term that default basic text dot println. Create password fast as fast. So I need a fast. I need a plus p term that light. Oh no, it's gonna be yellow. Light yellow. Fast as Login pass. Create password. Password fast as lightning. Maybe that's to sleep. Okay. Yeah, thank you for the subscriber. Do wanna subscribe? Greatly appreciated. You have one subscriber today. Okay. Greatly appreciated. Okay. Thank you so much. Just just go on added details go push engine this release. I think that's all for this stream. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.